Without wasting any time, let's start. Press Windows plus X key together to open options. Then click on search. Type TSKMGR in the search. Right click on Task Manager and select Run as Administrator. Now pay attention. For some users, Task Manager would open in quick mode. If it opens in a quick mode like this, then you need to click on More Details. Now click on File menu and select Run New Task. Now click Browse button and follow my screen. Choose this file in C drive. We will need to provide update option before we run it. Now click at the end and type this update option like this. Now again, pay attention. We need to run this to update the libraries. So check on this box here and then click on OK. Now execute gpupdate command. Follow my screen. This does half of our work here. Now execute this cls command. And now type exit and quit this window. Close this task manager too. Now in the next step, click on search bar again and type cmd. Open cmd with administrator access. Now type this command which will kill the Discord process which is running in the background. Now close this command prompt again. Now type run in the search bar and open run window with an administrator. Now type this command and click on OK. Now right click on the Discord folder and delete it. Now again open internet options. This time click on connections tab, go to LAN settings and make sure that this proxy server option is unchecked. Save the settings and that's it, our problem is fixed.